Okay, so the question is, a student will not be allowed to sit an exam if her attendance is less than 75%. So this is a classic example of an if else problem in C. So the question continues saying, take following input from users. The input we have to take from user is number of classes held and number of classes attended. So which means you have to create two variables. One is for number of classes held and another is for number of classes attended. Remember that attendance should be above 75% and print percentage of classes attended. Is the student allowed to sit an exam or not? So first thing we know is we have to create two variables, which is integers. The let's call the variable classes A, comma classes B. Now the first thing we have to do is take value from the user for classes held and number of classes attended. So we use the printf function, ask the user enter the number of classes held. We take the input by using the scanf function, %d ampersand, which is classes A. Then we take the value from the user for classes attended. Printf enter the number of classes attended. We scan the value, %d data identifier and ampersand classes B. Now we create the third variable to store the percentage value of attendance. Let's call it total or attendance. So here we have taken input for total classes, input for total lectures, and here is the input for number of lectures attended. Cool. Then we have to use the simple formula, which is to find the percentage of attendance. To find percentage of attendance, we use the simple formula, which is attendance equals to number of lectures attended into 100, the whole is then divided by total lectures. So to write this, we say attendance equals number of lectures, that is classes B, into 100, the whole divided by classes A. Now is the main part. The criteria being, if less than 75, the student is not allowed to sit in the exam. So we use an if statement. So if, here we write the condition and here we give our statement. If attendance is less than 75, what happens is it prints not allowed in exam /n. Else, which is if the attendance is greater than 75 or equal to 75, what will happen is it should print allowed in exams, right? /n, and that's it. Now if we run this program, it shows build succeeded. Enter the number of classes held. Number of classes held, for example, let's say 30. Number of classes attended is 25. Here it shows allowed in exams. Here I have a typo. Allowed in exams. Now let's run this program again. Now let's say the number of classes held are 30 again, but the number of lectures attended is 15. That's 50%. So the program gives us the output not allowed in exam, which is perfect. It is running perfectly. So that's it for today's tutorial. We'll see you with another question in the next video.